Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review 1997 Nissan Elgrand. So basically this is the direct competitor from Nissan to Toyota Hiace or Mitsubishi Delica. So you can see the styling like blend of two Hiace and Delica together. You know, like more like a roomy family, kind of like a camping van, but it walks on every way. Like this one is all-wheel drive, right? So Mitsubishi Delica is always like an all-wheel drive and like an off-roading camping stuff. And Toyota Hiace is more like a city, family, going around town. I mean, Hiace has the different version, I'm sure it has the all-wheel drive version also, but here this one is a little bit different. So this is a 1997 Nissan Elgrand. It has 85,000 kilometers, so I would say around 75, wait no 60 something 70,000 miles maybe. I'll double check and I'll put it in my YouTube description. Anyhow, this one is not the diesel. Unlike the Toyota Hiace, they don't offer the diesel version, but this one offers the 3.3 liter VG33 V6 engine. So if you guys are familiar with this engine, it is mainly used in Nissan, a lot of Nissan products from 1997 to 2000 something, because this VG33, it is exactly same engine as Nissan Frontier, Nissan Xeterra, Nissan Pathfinder. So all the 3.3 liter V6 from this engine. I'm sure it is shared with the same platform as well. It is very roomy inside. I know it is kind of like a little bit taller than, what I feel like, a little bit taller than the Toyota Hiace. But driving position, it's like I'm driving a truck. It has a step inside of the. After I open the door, I'll show you that there was a step to get in there. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome car, I would say. It has it's 1997, so the paint, some of the places are not that good condition, but it's not too bad, I would say. Another thing I will want to point out is it has a factory tinted window. That's why you can see the reflection on the back. It's a little bit different, right? And it is all-wheel drive. It's almost 4x4, because the reason is there's a button there. The dial button, it turn around for a rear-wheel drive, or the automatic, or the all-wheel drive. So let me show you close up, and I'll show you some spot that I got noticed, and let me walk you around inside of the car, then I'll start the car too. It drives pretty well, and transmission shift well too. So I have no issue with engine starting and driving it. As you can see, the logo here, it doesn't even say Nissan, it said Elgrand. Actually it's E, and you call it Elgrand. And the headlights, those are glass, those are plastic. So there's some paint fading spots around here on the front end. I'll show you the close up here. And this is a parking pole. It lights up. I'm not sure it goes up and down, because I can't really see it when I drive. So, and yeah, it has the original Nissan alloy wheel. And the mirrors are foldable, power foldable mirror. On the side, the body looks pretty nice on the side. It has a pretty good looking two-tone color. The car was very roomy. The headroom is phenomenal. And here it's a almost 4x4. Oh, this is the one I want to point out. Sorry. So here there's like flaws on the appear to be some scratch and a little damage on the bumper. It looks like trying to fix it, but it doesn't. Looks very good fixing it. And here's another thing that I want to point out. This one is a little big one. See this? It is somebody trying to fix a dent, but not very good job doing it. Here you can see it compared to the rest of the car. The part is not even shiny. So that's the flaw that I see it. The inside, I will show you another flaw too. It has a two moonroof, two what do you call it? Not swivel, but foldable, a removable seat. Let me show you inside. Inside is pretty good shape. See the steps here? Like if you have to step on it to get into the car, like that's how tall it is. Like when you drive, you can like see everything. And it has a beautiful Momo steering wheel. I'm not even sure if they make the Momo steering wheel for minivan. You know, it looks like the Subaru or WRX at the time of the steering wheel come out. It has the red stitchings and it's just very good shape. It is. And here, this is the one I'm talking about, like auto two-wheel drive and the locking mode. And this is something like chains or something that you want to put in there. And there's a suspension up and down also. I was surprised to see this. And on this part, it is the power mirror and the power folding mirror. Down there, it is the I'll open the trunk for you too also. And this is a gas tank. Gas tank is surprisingly here, right by the driver's side. And here is some more roof. This one is not. I mean, it only tilt open. It doesn't roll back because there's like another moonroof down there. That moonroof open all the way to the back. Alright, let me get in there. And I'll start the car. See the 86,000 kilometer. It's good air condition. Let me turn it off. And the cassette player. Some storage spot here. And it's an airbag. And some type of display here is show lock unlock, and I'm not sure, I don't really know what this thing does. It show lock unlock for the rear moonroof, I believe. Not really sure. And here, oh, so this is the one that's automatic, like instruction for the how to select the multi-drive. And pretty cool thing is here, something that you can put your sunglasses and stuff. That's pretty neat. Same thing on this side. Yes, inside looks pretty spacious. Oh, another thing I want to point out is this is your hand select gear. Yes, and this is the automatic power, overdrive and stuff. Overdrive is here. And oh, the one that I want to point out is that the seatbelt lights, somehow it's on all the time. Even though I seatbelted, and I'm not sure, maybe the seatbelt sensor or something, or maybe I need to clean up the seatbelt sensor, maybe a lot of dust in there or something. And here, see that this is the green things. If I change the auto, oh, there, see, everything is all green. And if I put the locked, it's in the middle one is the orange one showing. All right, let me show you the other side of the inside. Oh, let me show you the engine. Well, I'm here. There you go. It's 3.3 liter, V6. Sounds pretty healthy. Drives pretty well also. So here's the rear seat. See that the thing is, there's a cup holder here, and make it pretty nice. This is for the going back and forth. This is for the oh, actually this is for going down like this. And here's an armrest also. You know, that's a pretty cool thing about it. Yes, there's plenty of rooms here. There's your air vent from the air for the air conditioning and stuff. And I think this is the lights. Looks pretty awesome too. And there's a giant moonroof in there. And you see this is the air vent up there. So there's another air vent over there. You know, the funny thing is, like, usually usually the Toyota Hiace, oh here, let me show you this one too. Here's a step to go in there. All right, so usually Toyota Hiace has a space here, and they have a control for, you know, climate control and stuff, but somehow this one doesn't have it, but instead it has a remote control here. See? Yeah, it can control automatic. I point it out them and it will turn. Oh, maybe I need to put a replace of battery. I'll try it at home. And another thing here is the cup holder, the secret lighter pot, and I think this is a coat hanger. And here's the thing that another thing I want to say is, so like when you drive here, see how big is the dashboard here? It is like half all the way to the front. So to be honest, you might feel a little bit safer than driving a Hiace, because Hiace has basically like 8 inches in front of you. You're the windshield and that's it, you know. The frontal impact might be a little, if you are concerned about it. And this could be the minivan for a little bit more safety than Hiace that I can, that's what I can say. Yeah, in the back it has the mirror for the parking mirror. Let me show you the back also. But yes, it is definitely pretty clean car, and the carpets are very nice condition. Let me close this thing. So like after you close it, it's automatically locked. Even though it's not a power sliding door, but it adds like something power to it. So here's the seat. Look how big is the car is. Very roomy, very very, I would say, like, even though it looks 90, it is 97, it does definitely looks like a 2000 something model year car, you know. And here there's a lot of space here. This one you can here's a button here that can slide it all the way down. See, this is more room now, and you can fold it, or you can I believe you can unfold it, and this one's connected on the top, so that way it will have more room without removing it. You know, that's how usable usable control they are. Another thing I want to point out is it has it looks like it has curtain here, but somehow it is broken. If you have something that's very handy, maybe you can put the curtains up there. Yes, so pretty much this is it. Besides besides some body scrap and a little bit the kind of like ugly side in the back, aside that car is good. The engine wise, it's good. Mileage, pretty low mile. And as well, inside interior looks pretty clean. And it has, and the better thing is it's gas engine and all-wheel drive. So, what do you think? Just drop me a comment and let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'll try to answer as much as I can. But thanks for the watching. Really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching again.